subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello friends, we will learn about the problems of continuity. In this question, the given function is continuous at x equal to 0 and we have to find the two unknown terms, that is alpha and beta. The question is, if f of x is equal to x square plus alpha, comma, x greater than equal to 0 is equal to 2 into square root of x square plus 1 plus beta, comma, x less than 0, and f of 1 by 2 is equal to 2, comma, is continuous at x equal to 0, and we have to find alpha and beta. Now let's see the solution. First of all, given that f of x is continuous at x equal to 0. Therefore, by using definition of continuity, limit x tends to 0 plus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus f of x is equal to f of 0. Now here 0 plus means x should be greater than 0 and that is called a right hand limit. 0 minus means x less than 0, that is called a left hand limit, and f of 0, it means x exactly equal to 0. So the next step will be limit x tends to 0. Now x greater than 0, we have f of x is equal to x square plus alpha. That equal to limit x tends to 0. Now for x less than 0, f of x is defined as 2 into square root of x square plus 1 square root complete plus beta. And x equal to 0, we have f of x is equal to x square plus alpha, which can be written as, for x we have to substitute 0, so we get 0 square plus alpha. Therefore the next step will be, whenever x we have to substitute the limit as x tends to 0, so we get 0 square plus alpha, that equal to 2 into square root of again 0 square plus 1 square root complete and then plus beta, and that equal to, we write 0 square plus alpha as it is. So in this way we get 0 square, that gives 0 plus alpha, so that alpha is equal to 2. Now square root of 0 square gets 0 plus 1 1 and square root of 1 is 1, that multiply by 2, we get 2 into 1 plus beta. and that equal to again 0 squared 0 plus alpha, so this gives again answer alpha. So in this way we get alpha is equal to 2 into 1 2 plus beta. Let us this denote as a equation number 1. Now in this question we have to find alpha beta. So second condition is also given, that in the problem we have f of 1 by 2 is equal to 2. Now here the bracket term, that is 1 by 2, which is greater than 0, and for x greater than 0 again we have f of x is equal to x square plus alpha. So therefore f of 1 by 2 gives 1 by 2 the whole square plus alpha, and that equal to 2. Now on simplifying further, we get 1 by 2 the whole square gives 1 by 4 plus alpha is equal to 2. So therefore alpha is equal to 2 minus 1 by 4. Therefore alpha is equal to, on cross multiplying, that 4 to the 8 minus 1, so we get 7 by 4. So in this way we get the value of alpha. Now we have to substitute alpha equal to 7 by 4 in equation 1. Now equation 1 is alpha is equal to 2 plus beta, and therefore 7 upon 4 is equal to 2 plus beta. Therefore 7 upon 4 minus 2 is equal to beta. Again on cross multiplying we get 7 minus 4 to the 8 whole thing divided by 4, and that equal to beta. So in this way beta is equal to 7 minus 8 minus 1 upon 4. So finally hence we get the value of alpha as a 7 upon 4, and the value of beta is minus 1 by 4. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.